Hey, yo, this is just the 3G hacker, yo, iPhone 3G iPhone hacker here. So what I'm going to do is show you today how to edit names. Let's say, take maps here, and let's take weather or something, and we could change it to, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, sun recorder or whatever, the weather machine, or you can change maps to GM, standing for Google Maps or something, whatever you want to do, right? You can change these names here. So here it looks like I have the 3.0 theme, as you can tell, with this thing here and this thing here and this thing here. It's just in Cydia. It's just an easy, nice theme to get. But I changed the words from text to messages because I downloaded 3.0, I installed it, and I had an activating code, so it was okay, and a developer code or whatever, and I'll be making a downgrade, how to downgrade too, because it was a long process and it was really painful, but this basically looks like I have 3.0 because the 3.0 is amazing, just to let you know. It's just I don't want it because I can't jailbreak it, and I kind of really need it jailbreaking. So I'll try and make this pretty quick, but it's not going to be that quick, I'm guessing. So what you're going to need is CyberDuck or an SFTP program, safe file transfer protocol or something. And CyberDuck is probably the best, I'd say. And property list editor, that should come with your Mac. It should just be in Macintosh hard drive. Then it should be developer, then it should be applications, then utilities. It should be right down here. So you need that, CyberDuck, and I'm just using Safari to do this. And so that's all you'll need really. And yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is when you sign in, I'll sign in with you just to show you how it's all done. So you click Open Connection. Make sure this is to SFTP. It'll probably start up with FTP, but I set mine to do SFTP. Next, you want to type in your, what's it called? Your IP address. If we look over at the iPhone over there for a second, I'm going to show you quickly how to figure that out. So you get your Wi-Fi network. You have to be on Wi-Fi to do this. You hit the little blue arrow, sorry. Right here, this IP address is the one you're going to want to look at. So mine is 192.1. I don't care giving you this because you'll never hack into my system or anything because, well, it's kind of possible where you live compared to where I live. I don't really care. Anyways, just with this. But root for the username. Port should be 22 automatically if you're doing SFTP and CyberDuck. And password is Alpine, so A-L-P-I-N-E. And just to let you know, you can do this on PC too. You just need a property list editor. PLIST is the files, and a program like CyberDuck, which is SFTP program. So you hit connect, and it should automatically just work. Yours may come up for the first time with the little thing here, but you have to have OpenSSH installed, and you can get that in Cydia. Just search for OpenSSH, all one word. I'll put it in the sidebar too, or an annotation. So now you're going to want to, it'll bring you to here, private/var/root. You just want to click here and go to here, which is the actual main root folder. And then you'll come up with all these things, okay? So all I did, if you're on a PC, just go back. I'm pretty sure just keep getting back on a PC. But here you just go like that on the CyberDuck. Next, you want to go to the folder System, then Library, it's the only one there, then Core Services, there's a bunch here, Core Services, then hit springboard.app, then scroll down, there's tons of stuff here. This is your Springboard. Don't mess around with any of this, except for pictures you could do, but I mean, it's kind of just not that nice to fool around with, I wouldn't. And then you want to go to english.lproj, and you find this one. That one right there, sorry. Localized application names. Now what you want to do with that is download it. You can download it by just double clicking. And if you don't want to, I set mine up in the preferences to save right to my desktop. But, so you can find them if you don't know where, hit by just hitting open. And it'll open the file. Actually, that's not how you find it, sorry. If you're using Xcode, it's a little more complicated to edit with, so I just use simple. If you want to find it, sorry, you just, after you're done downloading it, you just hit show, the little show thing. I'll just show you again, right here. I'll stop mine. But yeah, you just hit show right there. So now to open it, mine doesn't show up in that list for some reason, so I'll open it through just the program. Open. You find where you had it. Mine's right on the desktop, right here. And it should come up like this in Property List Editor if you're doing a Mac. I'll actually too show you, just to be nice, how it may show up on a harder to use Property List Editor. It'll show up like this probably. Okay, so that'll come up like this. And if you want to just change them right in here, you're going to want to change the value, the string value, sorry. Yeah, the string is the value. So you'd want to change maps to GM or whatever. So that's just how you do it on there. I'm not going to do it on there, but that's how you do it. Between these two strings, you just replace it with whatever you want to do. And that'll replace up here with that up here. So I won't mess around with that really. Here it is. Okay, so I'm doing it here, and all you do is change the names. What I did here is change text right here to messages. But don't mess around with this stuff because it'll screw up your whole app, whatever one you mess around with. I don't know what else I really want to change. I guess you could change this to internet. I don't really know what else to say. I guess you could change this to text edit. If you want to, media, I guess. I guess that's really all I care about changing. If you just want to change them, these are just how to change the regular stock apps. Then you just save it after that, and quit it. If you just want to change a third-party app, you just go to the root folder like we did at the beginning, hit Applications, and I'm pretty sure just go in here. Actually, no, just change the app here from, let's just change, what's a good one? I don't know, there's tons there. Yeah, whatever. But I just wanted to show you how to do this, so now nothing will happen. See, it didn't happen. Safari's still Safari and stuff. What you want to do is I'll respring mine. So in here I just swipe my finger at the top. Just comes down with this, and let's just respring that. I'll just take a few seconds because I just downgraded, so it's not much of data on here. It's gonna only take a few seconds. It just vibrated, and yep. Let's see. Yeah, sorry, this program thing here isn't working really, but yeah, it worked for sure. And wait, sorry. It didn't work here. I apologize for this. It's kind of embarrassing. Yeah, I didn't drag this over yet. I'll drag that over. You gotta drag it back into where you found the first one. So I gotta override it. If you want, I'd back up this one first, and then just move it over and just rename it back up or something. Okay, now I gotta respring, sorry. I'm not gonna show it up there, but I'll let you know if it works. I'll take it off my here actually. I'm not sure if you can see that. Not sure at all if you can see that, but if you can, it's the internet right here. What else I should do? It says text edit right on my finger, so for notes. And I don't think I changed anything else, did I? No, that's pretty much all I changed, I think. Yep, so those all changed, just like I wanted them to. So one problem may be is that your applications, if you use Winterboard themes, you change the names, those logos won't show up anymore, or icons won't, specialized ones. So what you gotta do is go into Library from the root folder, go into Themes, find your theme, this is the one I'm using, and go to wherever your icons are on the theme. Mine are just icons. And this was originally called text.png to match the text application. So I just renamed it messages.png, what I renamed in the plist and renamed it to messages. Remember my text. Basically, that's all I wanted to tell you today. I hope that wasn't too confusing. If you have any questions, just message me. Or my email's not really working right now. I can't forget a password, to be honest. I haven't made a video in a long time or logged in, so but I'll be up with some more videos, and just message me for any information or comment on videos. I always check my comments, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and you have a good